Iran's drone army just leveled up and Israel is stunned. For years, Iran's drone, they were dismissed as crude, homemade machines, not anymore, but tonight, Iran is stitching together a new strike network, and at the center of it is just one man, the Mohajer. From a tiny battlefield gadget to a long-range hunter to a full-scale war machine, the Mohajer family has quietly transformed Iran's military power. And tonight, the world is finally noticing. You're watching Times XP. I am Triti, and it all began in 1980s. Iran was at war, isolated, desperate, under sanctions. They needed eyes in the sky, so they built Mohajer 1, a basic drone that flew low, recorded grainy footage, and barely survived tough missions. But that little drone, it has become a symbol now. If nobody will sell us weapons, we will build our own. Fast forward to today, and transformation is jaw-dropping. Meet the new generation, Mohajer 6, a combat UAV that fires guided missiles. Mohajer 10, a long-range platform with bigger payload and better precision. Mohajer variant with upgraded ISR, night sensor, and electronic warfare tool. This is not Iran improvising anymore. This is Iran industrializing. From surveillance to precision strike to strategic intelligence. These drones, they now do every single thing. They track convoys, they strike enemy position, they watch borders, guide the missile teams, and they feed live data into Iran's growing battlefield network. And Israel, they're just watching these upgrades with deep concern because Mohajer drones, they aren't just staying in Iran. They are spreading. They are given to militia, to proxies, to allies across Lebanon, Yemen, Syria, Iraq. So basically, this is not just one drone. This is an ecosystem, one that gives Iran the ability to wage war without sending soldiers into the battlefield. The message from Tehran is loud and clear. We don't need your technology, we will build our own. And we will build it really, really fast. And Israel now faces something that it never ever expected. A drone force that grows stronger every year, smarter every month, and deadlier with every upgrade.